Hi guys, in this Commission Gorilla review, I'm going to take you on to a short little demo about the product, then I'll walk you through the sales page, then we will talk about all the OTOs and bonuses that will be available to you if you grab this software through me today. Let's get to the demo and I'll see you on the other side.
So in this specific video, we are going to take a more in-depth view of creating pages. Now, what I recommend, as I stated in the first video, is to try to go to the My Pages here and go to the best practices template, clone it, and then edit that. That's the best way to get a hang of how to edit the pages. And once you feel like you're confident enough, then you can go about creating your own. Now, I want to go through here and walk you through in a more step-by-step, more in-depth view of the settings and the blocks individually. If we go up at the top here, when you edit any page, you're going to see settings, and then you're going to see blocks, and then you're going to be able to see the page as it is being built. Now, if you click on settings here, now, of course, there are going to be a few pointers and fast track tricks and shortcuts that I'm going to show you in this particular video that I wasn't able to show you in the first video. Now, if you click on settings here, you'll be able to see page settings, and obviously you'll need to enter your page name. Now, the affiliate link, obviously you want to enter your affiliate link here, and if you want them to be sent to a new window, you want to check this box here. And then of course you have redirect URL if the page is paused. Now you can actually pause each page. So for example, if I go to the My Pages section, you'll see that some of these pages are paused. So when it is paused, you can redirect people to a different URL. Now next you have custom code. So if you click this, you'll notice it says custom code in head section and custom code at the end of the body section. Now this enables you to enter custom scripts such as Google Analytics and other code that needs to be entered in the head or at the end of the body. So you can use other third-party scripts and enter them in here. So this is kind of an advanced feature if you want to insert other third-party scripts into your page. Now the next thing we have is Pro Features. Now Pro Features are just for Pro members, and you can add an attention bar, which is at the very top. Then you can add a exit redirect, which activates whenever somebody tries to exit your page. So then they're presented with a box and then they can continue or exit at that point. And then of course we have the countdown timer, which is also for Pro members as well. And countdown timers are known to really get people to take action by adding scarcity. Now, the next thing we have is SEO features so that you can make your page more search engine friendly and they have an idea of what your page is all about. So you can add the title, the Facebook text. So anytime somebody clicks on the share button for Facebook, this is what they're going to see. So if you want to customize it or make it different, you can do that. And then of course we have the meta description and the SEO keywords. Now page colors is really easy. It's the outer color is basically the outside of this. So if I change this, let's say for example to blue, you'll notice that the outside of this page turns blue. Now, if I want to change the inside color, let's say, for example, we'll change it to yellow. And as you can see, the inner side of the page turns to yellow. Now, in this case, I'm going to keep it white. And then, of course, you can enter a background image URL and it'll automatically stretch. Or if you want to tile it so it'll repeat itself, you can enter the direct image into this box. And then, of course, we have bonus delivery page, which is basically the thank you page. And if you specify a file name, anytime you finish and you save and exit and you get the custom code, this is going to be the actual thank you page and it'll be named this right here. Now you can also customize the thank you page header, which is at the very top, And you can say thank you, download your bonuses below. And under blocks, we have text blocks. So if we close this down here, we can see, for example, this one is a text block. And we have spacers. So spacers basically create a space between each element. So it just makes it look nicer rather than squeezing it all together kind of thing. And then of course we have images. So let's say, for example, that I want to add an image right here. And if I click on this, I want to hold it down and I want to drag and drop it right here. Now, keep in mind though, that if you just click the image with your mouse, it'll add it to the very bottom of the page. And that's fine if you're building a page, but you don't want to do this if you're editing a page and you want to insert a block somewhere specific. And then of course we have video blocks. So for example, in the best practices template, there is a video block here. And to edit it, you want to click the blue gear. And as you can see, you can enter iframe code from YouTube, Vimeo, VuPlayer, Wistia, or an MP4 video URL. And you can click autoplay if possible. And then of course we have bonus blocks, which allow you to pull the bonuses that you created earlier from the bonus library. So let's say, for example, that we're going to add a bonus block here. This one is example of a bonus block, but we're just going to go ahead and add another one right here. And if you click to select bonus here, you'll be able to find the bonuses. So in this case, we can preview it. And if we like it, we can click select and it has been added. So in this case, let's say, for example, that we want to add this above the rest. So obviously we're going to need to add some spacers so that it looks nice. And of course, maybe we'll drag this down here like so. We'll duplicate this one. So then we will add this one right above. We just got to change the numbers like so. Now, of course, you have call to action, which is CTA buttons. And these are the buttons that link to your affiliate link. So when you click on these, you can edit the font style and text color and block color, which is pretty self-explanatory. But if we go through here, you can enter the subhead button text and the main button text, and you can also have a link override. Now, this is a special option which allows you to override the affiliate link. So even though you might have added the affiliate link in the settings, and that of course links all the call to action buttons, let's say, for example, that you want to override one of the buttons to link to a different page. If you want to do that, simply enter that here. If you want them to open in a new window, you can do that as well. Now, most of these are pretty self-explanatory. Button colors, you can go through and select the standard colors, or if you want a very specific one, you can click on more and then of course choose that very specific green color or red or whatever you want to choose. And you click on choose and then you will be able to choose it. Now, as you can see here with the buttons, you can do what we call gradients. So I can have the color of green and brown in a button, and you can see here that you created a gradient, and you can also add angles of the gradient itself. Now, as you can see here, if I change this to, let's say 350, you can see the angle of the gradient has changed. So it has changed a little bit from over here to over here. You can also change the stripe of the gradient. So you can add stripes if you want to, or you don't have to have any stripes at all. You can also have drop shadows. And then I recommend that you just go ahead and play around with the other settings like border thickness, curve, and everything like that. And of course we have countdown timer, but that is just for pro members, but really easy to use. Once you've added it, you can edit it, you can change the countdown settings. Everything is quite self-explanatory. As you can see here, pick and choose your time zone. And then of course we have social sharing, and we can actually change the Twitter text. You can change the share position as well. So as long as you realize that each one of these content blocks have the ability to change the settings via the gear here, so you can go in it, play around with it, test it out, and then once you feel comfortable, go ahead and create your own pages. Now, again, if you click on save and exit, it will give you access to your code that you will need. So for example, This PHP file is the file that you will download to your computer and you can upload that to your website. Now, if you want it hosted by the Commission Gorilla server, you can use these URLs. It will be hosted. This is the bonus page and this is the thank you page. So obviously you're going to send traffic to the bonus page, and then for the thank you page, you will deliver this item to those who buy through your affiliate link.
All right, guys, take you through a quick tour of the sales page here. Still struggling with your affiliate promotions? Here's how you can double, triple, quadruple, heck, even 5 times your affiliate earnings before dinner tonight. Wow, wouldn't that be nice? 100% newbie proof, incredibly easy to use, 100% free page hosting, make more with less effort, no installing Cloudbase. Use our secret tool and boost your commissions up to 5 times more while cutting your workload to shreds. I'd be happy with just cutting my workload to shreds, but that's a big promise too. All this text here pretty much is telling you why you need to purchase this product. Use our secret tool and boost your commissions up to 5 times more while cutting your workload to shreds. Again, our affiliate efforts alone have generated close to $3 million in commissionable sales across multiple niche markets and for hundreds of products in the past 2 years alone. That's a lot of money. I'm not sure. I believe they made that much money, but I don't really know, and I can't prove it based on that statement. Our affiliate marketing efforts make us more money in a month than most people make in a year, while at the same time giving us a ton of time and freedom and an incredible lifestyle. They're going to show you how to do the same. A lot of text here to read through. I recommend you do. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get a bonus library to store your bonuses, drag and drop promotion page builder, which is really user-friendly. You really can put together some nice stuff with this. Start promoting and sharing fast. There's some templates here that they've put together with the software that I recommend you click on and take a look at. They'll probably sell you on their own based on how beautiful they are. Here's another video. It's about 20 minutes long, and it goes into a little more depth than I'm going to go to here, that shows you even a little more than the demo video showed you earlier about what the program is, and a little bit of tutorial as well. You can see it's all broken down up top here.
Hey, I've got a question for you. Are you promoting affiliate products? You might be surprised to know that affiliates who offer bonuses in their promos can make up to 5 times more money than affiliates who don't.
So yeah, you can see plenty of videos to go through and check out. Here's also what you're going to receive when you get started today. You can run up to 20 simultaneous promotion campaigns and import pages in of any Commission Gorilla page. You get 10 done for you bonuses, which are going to be included, which is helpful. You might like these as templates and you can just build from there. Pretty nice. Pretty simple, pretty easy to put together. They stress that. There's a lot of marketers here, guys that make money, that have nice things to say about the software. I suggest you read those. These guys, like I say, make money, and if they can make you money with their recommendations, even better. There's some additional training that you can get as well. I believe this one's an upgrade. I'll have a complete list of upgrades in my video description, so you can pick and choose whatever you think you might like to add on to the product, all which are really helpful. You have a nice 30-day warranty guarantee here in case you decide you don't want to keep software, I kind of doubt that you'll do that. Uh, it's really great stuff. So that's pretty much it, guys. Commission Gorilla, um, great product. I highly recommend it, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Okay, guys, what I like and don't like about the product. I don't like the income claims. I think they, are a little bit out there as far as what you can make by just making these beautiful bonus pages. I do like the fact that those bonus pages are beautiful, and I don't think you can go wrong. Anything that's going to jazz up your site and make people more interested and keep them on your site longer can only be a good thing. So, all the best. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks so much. Guys, that's the review for Commission Gorilla. I wanted to quickly show you my bonus page here. These blue links will take you over to Commission Gorilla and get you all set up with what you need. When you purchase the product through me, all of these bonuses here will be yours through JVZoo. Don't forget to click on the blue links. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. I wish you all the success in the world, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks.